Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Morphe holiday collection. Now I don't have the entire collection, but I was sent a ton of product and I wanted to show you guys what it is. I created this tutorial, this look, using a bunch of Morphe products, eyes specifically and lips as well as Morphe lashes, which just launched this month as well. They have like so many lashes and they're only $10, which is amazing. So if you guys are interested in makeup tutorials and product reviews, this would be a great time to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, as well as hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. But without further ado, I do not want to keep you waiting any longer. Let's get into the video. It is the holidays. I feel Christmas cheer. I have my coffee in front of me. So good. I am so excited because if you haven't seen by the title, I am reviewing the entire Morphe holiday collection. Da-da-da-da! Okay, it's not the entire collection, but it's like a very big package. Okay, so Morphe sent me this big guy over here. So I'm going to be reviewing this collection over here, and inside of it is a lot of the pieces from the holiday collection. I should put this box down. Okay, so what's really exciting about this video is that I am going to be reviewing a lot of these products, and then I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of the video with some of the products that I'm reviewing today. So let's just jump right into it and we'll start talking about the collection. The first piece from the Morphe collection is this Bling It On 7-piece brush collection and case. It comes in this box over here. Opening this up, we have face brushes, we have some eye brushes. So this brush kit comes with a case. It's this rose gold case, which is like super beautiful, and when you open it up, it has all of these sections that you can fit your brushes in. I love this because I have a lot of brushes and I like to keep them per collection, and you just want to keep like a little package to go, or a great way to store these away if you're not using them often and you don't want them on display and like collecting dust. I mean, how stunning! Look at how gorgeous these brushes are. Ugh, I don't know what that is. They are rose gold, and then they have these like diamond encrusted, I don't even know what to call it, almost so pretty that like you don't want to use these brushes, you just want to have them on display. I'm just going to go through what they are. So this first brush here is a deluxe tapered powder brush. It says softly tapered with a pinch of Faru, I don't know what that is. A contour blender brush. This is domed with a firm head for controlled application, which is actually kind of the perfect brush that fits right into there. A deluxe angled brush, gently angled for contouring and defining with creams or powders. A Pro Firm blending fluff brush. Yeah, must be this brush. So this is a blending fluff brush. Then we have a tapered blender brush. Well, I mean, it could be referring to this one. Yeah, I don't know. And then there's the round crease brush. So this is the round crease brush over here. Then the tapered blender brush is probably this guy over here. And then the Pro Firm blending fluff brush. This is a firm fluff brush, so this has to be it. And then there's the angled brow spoolie brush, which is this guy over here. So freaking gorgeous. I do not even want to touch these brushes. So here is a last look at the complete set in the packaging as well. They fit perfectly in here, and you can lock this away for travel or for safekeeping. So next up we have the Dare to Create 39A palette. I've seen this all over social media, like everyone's legit been going crazy over this palette. So this is what the colors look like. Now they do have the color names on this guy. I'm going to try my hardest not to lose this. It's like almost impossible. Oh my gosh. I wish they would just print it right below so I'd have it like always, because the likelihood of me being able to keep this name little pamphlet is like pretty rough. Wow, this palette is so stunning. So if you can have a look and see this right now, there are all these translucent shades, which is awesome because like the translucent shade is like the first thing that you run out of, right? And then they have these really warm, beautiful browny shades. There's some pinks and some deep oranges and some purples over there. And then we have some green tones if we're doing a green look. Then we have some blue tones if we're doing a blue look. This is such a beautiful, diverse palette, and I cannot wait to use it. This palette retails for $32, which is actually a pretty similar price to the Jaclyn Hill palette, but I think you get a lot of bang for your buck is the term that I'm looking for. A lot of bang for your buck with this because of the amount of color variations, because the transition pans are so, like, they're so big and there's so many transition colors that I can't imagine you really needing to dip into any other palette to create a look. I did not mention that the Bling It On palette is actually $79. I'm looking at this little pamphlet over here that tells me all the prices. James Charles on the cover as one of the models for this holiday collection. So the Bling It On brush collection is $79, which it is very pricey for Morphe brushes, but because of all the novelty like Diamante and the rose gold and everything, it obviously is a novelty product and probably something that you want to gift that's special, that you're not using the brushes but you are putting them on display probably. Then we have two more palettes, which is the Day Slayer and the Night Master, which are these two palettes over here. They retail for $15, which I think is a very reasonable price for these palettes. Here we have the Day Slayer palette, which is, ooh, this is so cute. Okay, props to Morphe for putting a mirror in a palette that costs $15. Like, I think we need to have a moment of silence just for that. Okay, and then here are the colors. I know I'm showing you this palette upside down, but I just don't want to have all of that reflection. Like, it's kind of annoying. There you can see my whole setup right now. 15 shades in it. It has the names printed on the palette and it has a mirror. Like, speechless. Now we have the Night Slayer palette, which is really beautiful as well. This has more of like the warm tones that we had in the previous palette. It's a little bit more neutral than the other one, and then it has these purple stunning, like, I don't even know what to call them, and I love the names. Like, one's called Goals and one's called Cliche and Vavavoom. Like, so cute, so freaking cute. So here's a last look at the two palettes, and now you can see my whole setup, but who cares. We have the Day Slayer over here, and then we have the Night Master on the other side. Okay, so moving on to the last few products. So moving on to the last few products, we have two metallic shades over here, and then we have a lip kit. Okay, so looking at the two metallic shades, this is them over here. I'm going to swatch these two on the back of my hand so you can see. The first color that I'm picking up is called Reflection. Oh wow, these smell so good. They smell like vanilla something. Oh, so delicious. The second shade is Luster. So here you can see these are the two colors. They're probably what I would call a soft metallic finish, but really stunning to go over top or to wear by themselves. Then the last product that I have is the Paint the Town Red Lip Kit. It also comes in a nude. Oh, these are so pretty. So it's actually not a lip kit, it's just like a lip trio. Like an orangey red, then a true red, and then a deeper burgundy red. These are the three shades. I'm going to swatch them as well on the back of my hand. So we have Lovely over here, Bonnie is the center one, and Stunner is the other one. Wow, so gorgeous. And before I forget, I actually needed to show you one more palette, which is the Paint the Town Nude Liquid Lips. And they come in three colors as well. These are the three shades of the nude lipsticks. And these are the colors. So we have Dainty, we have Lulu, and then we have Sweets. And then the last thing that I'm going to show you is the new Morphe eyelash collection. So this is the full set of the Morphe lashes. These ones over here look so gorgeous. They kind of remind me of the Lily lashes in Miami. This one's called Temptation. That's like a really full lash. They have more fluffy, natural ones. It's obviously not natural. This one is called Chummy. Perhaps the most natural one, which is in Flirt Alert, which is, I think, is the most natural one from the collection. So now that I've given you the tea on all the products that have launched at Morphe, let's get into the tutorial part. So I finished one eye off camera because I didn't know what I wanted to do, and this is the look that I came up with. It is like a sunset ombre cut crease. I don't even know what to call it, but it is glam. And then I put some Morphe lashes on. These are the Total Babe lashes. So I'm going to get started with this eye and then talk you through as I go along. So the first thing that I did is for my transition color, I went into this Morphe Day Slayer palette and I used the color Upbeat and In the Crease. It's these two shades, so In the Crease and Upbeat. And since I am doing a cut crease, and this is pretty dramatic, I am using it quite high up in my crease. I'm going to pick up the color Create from the 39A palette. So I'm just using a tapered blending brush.
I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know.
So now that we have that Create color in the crease, I'm picking up a Morphe 506, which is this tiny little tapered blending brush, and I'm going into the color Forever, which is a deep purple or plum shade, and I am carving out where my cut crease is going to be. And then I'm just going back in with the color Create and making sure that is really seamlessly blended out. And now I'm going in with the color Muse, which is the black shade, and I'm just going to deepen up that crease so it really pops when I cut out my crease.
That I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow, ended up just like before, so.
I mean, I'm just going back into that Forever shade, which is that deep plum, to help blend everything out. Okay, and so once you're happy with that blending, we're going to cut the crease. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape to cut the crease, and I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. And then today I'm using this brush that I actually just use for glitter usually, but it's the Morphe 170-6 brush, and it's this tiny, tiny little brush, which lately has been perfect for cutting my crease.
Take it easy.
So now that we have our crease cut, I'm taking the shade Bare and I'm just going to set that concealer. So to start creating the gradient, I'm going to pick up the color Upbeat from that Day Slayer palette, and I'm putting this closest to my crease. So then next I'm taking the color Create and I'm going to place that right below that crease shade. So taking the shade Forever, which is that deeper shade, I'm going to add this plum shade closest to my lash line and then start building it up. So all I've done is run those two shades on my bottom lash line, and then I added some black eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm going to add the NYX matte liquid liner on my top lash line and pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. So I'm going to pick up the NYX Born to Glow highlight palette. I just received this in PR as well. I'm going to pick up the Center Gold shade over here, and I think that's the perfect shade to highlight my inner corner and then the rest of my face. And today to highlight my face, I'm using the Morphe 438, which is like my OG favorite highlighting brush. I haven't used it in a while though. So I'm going to pick this shade up. It picks up a lot of color, like look at that. And I'm going to just apply that directly to my face. Oh my gosh, that's too much product. Oh, crap it. You know, I do have a lot of texture, but I still like to apply highlight, and I just like embrace my texture. But if you're someone that doesn't like to accentuate your texture and you have texture in your cheek area, then maybe don't highlight as much as I do, or just keep it right up there or right on your cheek. You can kind of cheat around anywhere that you have texture and still have that highlighted effect. Or you can take a slightly lighter powder and have a just like a powder highlight that's not shimmery. My nose is running and it's so annoying. So I want to wrap up, and there are all these Morphe shades and I do not know which one to use. Lord, what am I going to use? Oh my gosh, I'm so stressed out. I don't know what color to use. Ooh, what about this one? Ooh, that might be it right there. Okay, so there's so much going on, so I feel like I should take it easy with the lips. So I'm going to line my lips with a very dark lip liner. This is actually an eyeliner from Ardell. And then I'm going to use the shade Dainty, which is a nude lipstick. I'm going to go over with this metallic color in the shade Luster. There we go. I want to do one more thing because I'm obsessed with a glossy lip. I'm taking the NYX Duochromatic lip gloss in the color Fair Play, and I'm just going to go over that whole lip. Alright everybody, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun recreating it. It's something really unique that I haven't done before, and I am so obsessed with this entire Morphe holiday collection. I know it came out like early November, but I'm really grateful to have received this from Morphe, so thank you so much for sending me this product and allowing me to play. It's so much fun. So if you guys recreate this look, definitely let me know and tag me in your recreation so that I can check that out. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, as well as hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. I am going to be doing a giveaway. Drum roll please. So for today's giveaway, I will be giving away this Dare to Create 39A palette. So you know the rules if you entered any of my giveaways before. The first rule is to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Second rule is to hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. The third rule is to follow me on Instagram at SarahTanyaOfficial. I will link that down below. And then the fourth rule is to comment down below your favorite product, your favorite makeup product of 2017. I would love to hear what that is. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Definitely enter the giveaway if you're interested in this 39A palette. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless you guys, and remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter. Bye.